1 in 4 people will be affected by neurological disorders at some point in their lives. Most of them don't look for help, and this is mostly due to stigma, discrimination, and the high cost of treatments. My mother is a neuroscientist, my father is a psychologist. I grew up watching them help kids with learning disabilities and change their lives for the better using technology. This inspired me to do some research about VR for mental health care. I discovered that immersive experiences trigger the same brain responses that real-life experiences, and treatments in VR can be even more effective and short-term than traditional methods. This is why I set my mind to create a VR app that will help people suffering from PTSD, which accounts for 13 million people in a given year. And I was lucky enough to come to this hackathon and found some pretty awesome teammates that were passionate about using their talents for good as well. We are emotional architects, and this is Mindgaze.
Welcome to Mindgaze.
So this is the opening of Mindgaze. I'm going to start by reaching out and grabbing this hand to start the experience.
Welcome to Mindgaze.
So we have two options here. One option is if you're a therapist, the other is if you're a person seeking help. And for our experience, we're going to do self-directed.
We want you to think of a safe space, imaginary or real, that makes you feel at peace, somewhere you can go if you're feeling overwhelmed. When you're ready, place your palm in mine and describe it out loud in one sentence.
A beautiful beach in Tulum.
Whenever you need to take a break, replicate the gesture on the screen and we'll take you into your safe space. Pick an object from the table and scale it to represent your level of distress, then save it on the box.
Okay, so we have these objects that represent how we're feeling. And as we scale it, the ratings change. I'm going to put this in the box.
Take my hand when you're ready to start our session.
And this is how we start the session. Grab the hand.
Welcome to your Ember session. Please, make sure to keep your eyes on the orb.
And so I'm following the gaze, or I'm following the orb with my eyes. And so we're using eye tracking, and if I were to look away, it would redirect me to look at the orb.
Can you think of something negative this memory has made you believe about yourself? Please, say it out loud when you're ready.
I feel unworthy.
Please, think of a positive belief about yourself and say it out loud.
I feel loved.
I feel loved. Please open the box and pick the object you scaled previously. Could you rescale this object to the level of distress you perceive the experience causes you after the session?
So I feel better now. I put it back in the box, and I close it.
It feels good to unload some burdens, right? You're a wonderful person. I'm honored you chose me to help you go through this journey. Remember, I'm here anytime you need me.
So I can book a follow-up session or look for resources. And that's it.